It's interesting because with any kid, when you have that lazy gene and you don't want to do it because mom's always done it, when they can do it themselves, you're proud of that. That's something that is so important for that independence. And it just builds your confidence to do more. You could be starting out a future chef, or it could be building skills to get a job that they love. It leads to something so much bigger.
Many of our kids are going to be living independently soon, so they're learning how to cook for themselves, and they're not feeling as afraid as maybe they did in the past.
The recipe for independence is really broken down to specific skills you need in the kitchen. Just by being able to do the skills themselves, the students feel an increase in self-confidence. I think that's kind of our human nature, is to want to do something for ourselves. And then just to see that pride that they have of something they created and made for themselves that somebody didn't have to do for them. That's really cool to see that come together. Often this group of people are dismissed and people think maybe they can't do it, but really they can. They just need the right tools, just like you and I need.
I'm afraid I might cut myself in a knife. No, I'm not.
Do you have any special tools or anything that's helped with that?
There's the silver thing in the fingers. Yes, it was that one. This has circles. This helps me not to cut myself. I just put my 2 fingers right there, and I cut with my knife, my other hand. And that's how I'm not getting bloody. That helps me a lot.
I'm going on an adult, and being part of an adult is being able to cook for yourself, cook various things that are healthy. And to be honest, it made me less nervous because occasionally I've had times where my meat was just didn't seem to have much seasoning, or I was worried that I didn't cook it long enough or I cooked it too long.
When you live with your parents, you learn how to live with your parents. When you move out, you learn life skills. So while we piloted this here and in other places, we already have the infrastructure of EasterSeals. We already have the client base. Now we have an offering where we can help even more of our clients gain independence, skills, and frankly, find more connection to their community.